Check. Ow. Eh. OCD check. Okay. Oh, look at this. So perfect. And we have balcony. Okay. Look at that. So cute. Pero maliit lang yung TV nila. Meron kaming coffee maker. We have a mini bar here. May price list sila. That. Price list. We didn't drink beer, so we consume that Coke. Okay. Oh my God. Okay, that's so nice. Better yung hotel namin sa SM North kaysa dito. It's comfy because we have two pillow each. Much better. Headphone, of course. What's that? It's not that cold. Ang ganda sa labas. Kitang-kita ang mga nakahiga. That's perfect. Nasa first floor lang kami. Tapos malapit kami sa... Yun yung target ko. Malapit kami sa... breakfast buffet tomorrow. Much better. Kasi palagi kami nagugutom. Like... Later, pagtapos niya, piyam natin yung CR. So, yan CR namin. May bagong tae lang kanina. Okay, perfect pa din. So cute. Pero okay na talaga yung room namin sa SM North. Shower room. Kasi dun sa SM North, parang hindi ganito. Parang kakatakot naman. Nabara na ako. Like that this. So that is my room tour. This is bigger sink, bigger. There's a lot of towels. Perfect. Bye.